guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Should pardon my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have my Eyescream Beauty bag for the month of July. This is my first time getting this. So if you want to see what we received in here and everything to do with this subscription, let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, so for the beauty bag, because we'll be covering the box that I normally get in a different video, this does not include a makeup bag. It's just called the bag because it comes in a bag and not a box. But this is $12.50 a month with quick shipping to the US, and you do not pay, you pay for shipping on this one. I think it's like $4, at least that's what I paid for shipping. You get a mix of beauty and skincare products, and you receive 3 to 5 items included in every bag. So there should be, yes, I did a card for July, and this doesn't have like a theme, it's just the card telling you the prices. So let me just pull everything out and get that out of the way. So the first thing here we have from Rachel Couture, and it is a lip balm, and it's a watermelon lip balm. This thing's huge. It's a 15 mil lip balm. I'm not a huge lip balm fan, so I'm going to leave this sealed because it is plastic wrapped, and I'm going to throw this in my giveaway drawer. This is a $10 lip balm, so hopefully this is nice, but I'm going to throw that in the giveaway drawer. And then, so there was not a choice this month. You got a random selection of 3 palettes, and you got 2 of them. So at random, you got 2 out of the 3 palettes. So I'll throw up a photo of the 3. So it was Elegance, Extravagance, and then does the photo tell me what, because those are the 2 that I received. Does my photo show me what no, it doesn't show me what the 3rd one was. I'm really upset because I didn't get the one that I wanted. I got one of the ones that I wanted, but I didn't get the other one. So, but these are from DD Signature, and they're in collaboration with Makeup on Your Radar. They both are. These are what they look like. And they both retail, they're $20 each for the palettes. So we'll start with Extravagance, which again, this is what the palette looks like. They do not have a mirror inside. This is one of them that I wanted. This one is gorgeous. I really do enjoy this one. So we have 3 mattes and 2 beautiful shimmers. We will go ahead and swatch this. They do not have shade names. The ingredients are just on the back. These do have talc in them in case that's something that you're not a fan of. So I just labeled these green shimmer, green matte, pink shimmer, blue matte, pink matte. That's what I labeled them in my spreadsheet. So I have only tried one DD Signature palette, and I didn't love it. I'm not gonna lie. But that was a while back. Whoo, buddy. This is stunning. Wowza. These mattes are, that matte already feels, yup, these mattes feel more like pressed pigments. Wow. So there's the palette. The blue feels a little out of place, but it is pretty. I won't lie about that. She be gorgeous. But yeah, I don't know. Let me look at the back and see if it, just between how they feel and the kick up, they feel like pressed pigments. They are pressed pigments. Or at least some of them are, because we have pressed pigments and eyeshadows. So that's the Extravagance palette. And then I also got the Elegance palette, which again, this is what the packaging looks like. I'm sorry, it's so reflective and holographic. It is a little hard to show here. And that is this color story. I really wanted the purpley one, but that's fine. This multi-chrome does look stunning. So I labeled this one light blue, light green, and multi-chrome. like all those were mattes and then multi-chrome shimmer. That's how I labeled this in my spreadsheet. So, and are these, so yep, we have pressed pigment and eyeshadow. I love that I clocked that. That's crazy. Ooh, that green. Now see, oh, I got, okay, they're different. And they're different. The blues are different. Oh, oop, oop, hang on. I accidentally swatched the blue twice. Okie dokie. I done messed that up. Let me just get all that off my hand. And we will fix it. 1 second. Alright. Hand is dry. So sorry that I messed that up. So let's try this again. So we have the light blue, the dark blue, and the green. Oh, that green is so pretty. I was just trying to look at the blues. The light blue, they do look similar. So then we have the darker green and that multi-chrome. Oh, my goodness. Wow. The shimmers are to die for. Which, when I used, I forget what the palette was called, but I got it in, I think, Eyescream Beauty Box. The shimmers were what made me almost keep the DD Signature palette I had, but I just didn't like the mattes that I had in it. But these mattes seem lovely. I mean, I like pressed pigments. I do. So, I don't see an issue. Like I said, I think those blues are very similar, but I mean, I probably wouldn't use these palettes together. I mean, you could, absolutely, because you have these greens with those greens, the blues. This multi-chrome could pair with the pinks really well. So, I mean, these could pair really nicely together, actually. So, all in all, this bag, we got $50 worth of product in the bag. And could I open and try the lip balm? I absolutely could, but I would just rather throw that in my giveaway drawer for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So that is going to do it for my very first Eyescream Beauty bag. I'm so very excited. When I saw that this was the sneak peek getting these palettes, that's when I was like, nope, signing up. Gotta do it. I need those. Those are beautiful. So let me know, do you also get the beauty bag? Because now I'm getting all of their subscriptions. I'm getting the Duo Chrome of the Month Club. You'll see that this month. I get their box and their bag. I love Eyescream Beauty Box so very, very much. So that'll do it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.